Okay guys, I decided to do it at home, so it's much better and easy to kind of to show the things. So there's a few little things here. One, I was like disappointment that this design is kind of like I said about this little barn door. I have to tape it because this battery is completely exposed and it's actually full on. There's nothing to hold this battery. It's just like, I don't know, huge design flaw. You have to actually tape it because a barn door you need to remove in order to plug this USB-C. So this, what I call brick adapter. So you see this is like one swing arm on one side, and that's the safety rope. It also sticks. I'm not sure how reliable it is. You just kind of thread this rope through this anchor, but it holds. So anyway, this adapter you have to pay $40 for this, $40-50, and a little 4-inch adapter. Here, it's got two little black rings. It's TRS, and it's supplied by Purple Panda. So don't forget, if you put directly, this one here, you see this has three purple rings, three black rings. If you plug it directly, it's not gonna get out yet. And I cannot stress enough important, when you plug this in, you see it looks like it's in, but it's not. I took on my first ride, no audio. So what it is, you have to push it until it snaps real hard. Here we are. Now you got it. And that's it. I did not clip to this chin guard. I actually mounted. You see, that's how we are. I kind of mounted right in front of me. You see, there's a little tape piece and a microphone, just a foam piece on it. So I don't have this fuzzy windscreen, and it works just fine. Like you probably heard in the same post on a test ride. Yeah, the audio actually works great, except all these extra ridiculous pieces. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay, and my first setup, I was gonna show you. That's the one I did in the beginning, and I do like this mount a lot better. It definitely holds. It's not going anywhere. I would like to find similar something like this and mount it on my everyday helmet, because this is too small for me. But this is definitely better mount. I would strongly, if your helmet has this round shape, I would go for this one. I think this one 15 or like $18 on Amazon. They're both on Amazon, but much better. So anyway, so this is my setup. And as I mentioned, I'm just beginning to learn about this, and I love it. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, please, shoot the questions or comments. And bye, everyone.